The Starfish on the Beach. A short moral story. One morning, after a stormy night, a young boy walked along a beach scattered with thousands of starfish washed ashore. The tide had gone out, and the starfish were stranded, slowly drying in the sun. The boy began gently picking them up, one by one, and tossing them back into the ocean. An old man walking nearby saw the boy and chuckled. "There are too many, boy. You can't save them all. What difference does it make?" The boy paused, holding a starfish in his hand. He looked at the man, smiled, and said, "It makes a difference to this one." And he tossed it into the sea. The old man watched in silence. After a moment, he bent down, picked up a starfish, and threw it back into the water too. Together, side by side, they continued, one starfish at a time. Moral: you may not change the world for everyone, but your small actions can mean everything to someone. Every effort counts. Thank you for watching.